Good morning. Contrasting weather across the UK at the moment. We had some early morning fog in the south and then the sun is shining for many. Further north there's a little bit more cloud around. We've got a weak weather front. It's giving a little bit of patchy rain and we may get something more significant as we head through this evening and overnight. But nothing more than the odd spot of rain or drizzle coming into the south of Scotland, Dumfries and Galloway, northwest of England. Some low cloud on the hills. It brightens behind. Still quite a coolish breeze in the northwest of Scotland. Whilst further south, once again, temperatures up on those of yesterday, 27, 28 degrees Celsius. We might get 22 east of the Grampians, where we've seen some breaks in the cloud. But again, high levels of UV for many and very high levels in the south. We don't see many days here in the UK when we get very high levels of UV. Also some fairly high levels of pollen around. If you're heading to the Euro 2022 this evening, it'll still be warm and it'll still be dry. Plenty of sunshine. Those temperatures, the starting point for the match is 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. And the high pressure continues to rule the roost as we move through the weekend. Those weather fronts just brush the far north, bringing something a little wetter into the Northern Isles, perhaps the Western Isles at times. And we've still got a bit of a coolish breeze, a northwesterly through Saturday, but otherwise plenty of sunshine will prevail once again. We may see temperatures not quite as high in the south because of the slight change in wind direction, but it's still another very warm day for many and slightly more sunshine further north. The cloud coming and going then through the day on Sunday as well, all around our area of high pressure. So some rain at times for the Northern Isles, for example. The breeze, a very little breeze in fact, but if there is, it'll be far in the far north, and again keeping things a little cooler, but temperatures in the south after a warm start to getting into the high 20s, the mid 20s quite widely across England and Wales, but the high 20s in the south. And then as we move into the new week, that high pressure may just drift a little bit further to the south, but that allows us to tap into some warmer weather. We may get a brief dip as that weather front encroaches to the northwest, but for many areas the story is dry and increasingly warm as we move into next week. As ever, you can keep up to date with the weather where you are on the website.